Hey, if you have overheating issues on your Nvidia RTX GPU, let me show you those settings. So it actually helps me in my the RTX 4080 Super. So we have to open that Nvidia application. You can find it actually by going into the taskbar, then go to the system settings, go to the performance, and what can I recommend you to turn off this overclock settings, this automatic tuning. Next, the voltage maximum set for 0, the power maximum set between 90 or even 70, the temperature target set between 80 or 65, like this. And also remember to set automatic fan target, or you can even do this manually. So if you're gonna set 80, you can hear that it's gonna spit a lot, but it will actually lower the temperature. And this is how you can actually fix overheating of your card manually. But what you can also try to do, you can try to simply download the latest drivers, or if the problem appears after a new update, you can simply download from a browser the old version. So here you've got the new version, and you will have to search for the previous one that was actually released before this date. So you can find this on the Nvidia website, by the way. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.